Verifying your bank account on Zeta is a straightforward process that ensures your financial information is secure and accurate. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Download the Zeta app. Start by downloading the Zeta app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. Provide the necessary information, including your account number, routing number, and any other required information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid verification issues. Step 4. Confirm your identity. To verify your identity, you may need to provide additional documentation such as a government-issued ID or a recent bank statement. Follow the instructions to upload the necessary documents securely. Step 5. Wait for verification. Once you have submitted your bank details and identity confirmation, wait for the verification process to complete. This may take a few minutes to a couple of days. You will receive a notification once your bank account is successfully verified. After completing these steps, your bank account should be verified on Zeta, allowing you to access all the features of the app securely.